Is it going?
Hey everybody.
Wait, no. Just
Is it going? Okay.
make sure what my voice sounds like. Okay.
Terry and I are doing.
No, wait, hang on.
These can be bloopers. I don't know what I'm waiting on. What am I waiting?
Hold
Okay.
on, let me start.
She's
first.
going
You
to
wanna
give you the
start.
countdown of 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
I've heard 3, 2, 1 100 times out here.
No, but I
today.
was doing my test.
You ready? Testing.
Hey everybody, it's Terry, and this is Tim
Who's everybody?
from Throttle Power. People on my Facebook.
On your
This is
Facebook.
Tim from Throttle Power.
Facebook.
Well, if y'all remember last year, me and Patrice did the common build or same build with the 72 Chevrolet.
Yeah, a little
well,
ugly truck.
I lipped off and ran my mouth to Tim at Atlanta last year, and here we are.
And I don't
So-
see a build from you.
Yeah, let's hear it.
All I see is iced tea.
Well, it's what was left.
It's covered up. I'm gonna get it here in a minute. So
It's the Moebius 65.
He's going to do a big
Truck.
reveal.
Oh, a big reveal.
Nobody's seen it.
This is mine. It's been revealed. I always reveal mine. Anyway, that's the childhood humor. All right, Terry, do your reveal, and we can talk about them or whatever.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh wow, check that out. Isn't it pretty?
Yep. You want to talk about yours first or talk about
I
mine
don't
first?
care.
It don't matter to me, whatever.
Okay, I'll
You
do
talk.
mine first. Terry says I cheated because there is no underneath.
Did it have it underneath originally?
No, this kit didn't have no underneath
Okay.
or nothing.
Yeah.
Ah.
You
So
cheated.
anyway, yeah, I just glued the
But you told
tires
me
up
you
in.
glued the hood shut because you didn't want to do the motor either.
Yep, didn't do an engine. It's just curbside with a Mexican blanket. And I didn't even use those decals that some company is called STS. I just used the decals that were in the box. I know it happens. And then just did some weathering. And the tires and wheels are MCV products. And she slammed on the ground.
Yeah, well, I was going to weather
All
mine,
right.
but it didn't work out. So mine is painted coral blue,
It's pretty.
and it actually has a suspension and an engine. We'll
Let me
get to
see.
here
I
in a
don't
minute.
believe you.
Straight six, 3-car rear.
Wow.
Now tell
I
me
was-
what happened to the other motor.
I was going to do a Coyote, but then
Right.
I changed my mind. The wheels and tires are from Atomic City.
Oh, are them the one you picked up when I saw you up there?
I buy a set every
Okay.
time I go up there. Now the hubcaps are out of the kit, but I notched the back frame, lowered the rear end, made shackles, lowered the front end. It's got real springs under it. And I didn't do no weathering because, well, I'm not that good at it.
Clean truck.
And then I had to raise the bed floor, so I notched it. There's a,
You did all kinds of work on yours.
yeah, I had to make a carrier bearing because the drive shaft
So,
wouldn't work.
so tell everybody when we quit working on this.
We were leaving Wednesday morning to come down here, and I quit working on it Wednesday morning.
You started on it?
No, I was finishing it up Tuesday night, and then Wednesday morning I went to do a couple things and broke some parts off.
11:30 midnight or whatever. He's like, I forgot to do this.
On
So
the
he gets up to
interiors.
go do that in the morning and breaks the mirror. Loses a
It's primer grid. It was going to be weathered, but didn't turn out that
loses
way.
another part and breaks
I
something
need to add
else.
a fuel line and a couple other things, but you know, it's got STS decals on it.
I've never heard of that company.
Yeah,
Terry's what?
model rod shop.
Terry's Model Rod
Yeah,
Shop.
that's his.
A friend, I found
Okay.
I found a hubcap back in the woods one day, an old hubcap.
All right.
4% V8 on it. I gave it to my buddy, and he pinstriped it, lettered it, and made Terry's Model Rod Shop, and I thought it was kind of funny. So
All right,
There it
looks
is.
good. Oop, there it is.
Very nice, guys.
All right.
all right,
Is that a
see
wrap?
y'all.